Being in the real estate industry and being out and about with clients, I'm frequently asked if I know anybody in the construction and architectural design industry that they can consult with to either build them a home, help with an addition, or assist them with a renovation. And so I wanted to take the time to introduce you to a dear friend of mine, Hunter Pethel, as well as a business associate and somebody I consider a valuable member of my team. He's an expert in the construction design industry here in the Triad. Hunter, tell me about Pethel Designs.
Pethel Designs was a spinoff of Pethel Builders, which I started in the mid-90s. And we built everything from rental houses all the way to multi-million-dollar homes. I was involved in the design process in a great number of those projects. And so I decided to transition about a year ago over into all design work. So now we have Pethel Designs.
And one of the things that I am frequently running into when I'm out showing houses is these older homes have more of a traditional closed floor plan. And I've got a lot of clients that are wanting to open up the floor plans to make a more open living space, which is more of a trend. Is that something that you can help people with?
Absolutely, and we do a lot of that. Renovations are a big thing that we work on, and people want living spaces that include the kitchen, the den, because that's where they congregate.
And how do you work with clients?
Well, we have to start with an initial meeting, and I try to understand what it is that people are trying to achieve, what their goals are. Then I come back and I draw it and try to articulate what they were thinking, and then we go through typically a revision process until we come up with something that the client can be happy with, and then they can go to a builder and get prices.
And those revisions are easy with the CAD computer system that you use.
Yes, we used to do it all by hand, and now we use the computer. And one of the great things about the computer is that I can create 3D images so that clients can get a better understanding of what it is that they're potentially going to be building.
One of the great things about working with Hunter, and one of the reasons he's a valuable asset to me and my team, is because Hunter communicates clearly with the client. He communicates in detail. He knows his stuff. He's astutely honest. He returns all telephone calls. Actually, he doesn't need to return them because you always answer your phone, and really makes both the process and the product a perfect 5-star experience. So.
Well, thank you for saying that, Michelle. I appreciate it. And again, thanks for coming by today.
Thank you, Hunter. I really appreciate your time. And everything you do for me.
You're welcome.